Okay, so this is great that y'all came up here at the perfect time.
Those two girls are from Phoenix. I don't really know yet.
Yeah.
He's just taking the whole bucket.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm doing is I'm giving them stuff that they
Quick question. Her name is Utami. You might even be seeing a little bit of clay on the top of her back. Elephants and rhinos like to use that clay or mud as their form of sunscreen and bug repellent. So she's trying to stay cool on this warm day. I also want you to pay attention to her horns there. Now she's a southern white rhino. Raise your hand if you know what rhino horns are made out of. Okay, I feel like 2 hands, but that's okay. I didn't. That burlap works like an AC unit in our cars. All their blood vessels get filtered through there, cooled down, and then distributed throughout their body. They're one of the largest antelopes in the world, at about 2,000 pounds. Speaking of large wildlife, we also have our Maasai giraffe hanging out here. If you look at the one kind of closest to us in the tree, trying to get some leaves, that is our male. Hanging out more in the desert area. So we're excited on that baby buffalo. I am going to have to keep on going though.
Mom, I can win this metal ball. Ow.
Look how pretty she is.
Ow.
You need to go up over here.
I'll play.